Alright guys, we did it. We got the Traeger Pro 780 barbecue board pair. The rub rack right there. Got our front board, gigantic front board, made to fit on the accessory shelf, available on the Traeger website or any of your local hardware stores. All walnut construction, stainless steel handles, rubber feet on the bottom to provide traction, prevent scratching. As you can see, there's no need to move the board to open the lid. It's as simple as taking your cooked food, putting it right here, carving it up, and lifting the board off, taking it in to eat. The rub rack is made to fit on top of the pellet hopper. Keep all your cold beverages and rubs and barbecue sauce close to the grill. All products are available and ready to ship on the website. Order now before the holiday rush.